Hey guys, how is everybody doing today? I hope you're having an absolutely incredible day. I am coming to you from a property here in Cinco de Diciembre called Casa Parota. The asking price on this property is $675,000 US, and the size of this lot is almost 12,000 square feet. Between the two properties, you've got a little over 2,400 square feet. There are 4 bedrooms here with 4.5 baths. So much charm. Definitely you could do some updating here, but for the price, $675,000 US, you've got room for all of that. And I work with some really great contractors I'm happy to introduce you to as well. So guys, make sure you click like and subscribe down below. I do about 2 to 3 videos a week of properties that are for sale on the market here in Vallarta. I like to let you guys know what's happening around Vallarta. So now that you have clicked like and subscribe, let's go check out this property. I'll show you as you enter into this gate, you have this huge piece of property here. You could make an exquisite garden. This is just the little road that's going to take you up onto your property, but I want to show you as well, just to kind of walk around just a little bit so you can see all the tropical landscape here and just where the property line goes down. You have so much extra space here. So I mean, really, if you wanted to do another casita, you could easily expand this. So this is the entire front of the house. This is what you see as you come into your gate. So you'll see that you're going to go through this orange gate here, and then you're going to wind down this driveway, and it's going to end you up over here. So you've got plenty of parking if you want to use this as a rental property, or if you wanted to live in one of the houses and rent the other one out, you totally have the availability and the space to do that. So this is a casita. We're going to get into that in a minute. And then this is the main house. The main house is all on one level. You have 2 bedrooms, 2.5 baths inside of here. And look how fun this pool is. I mean, obviously you can see, guys, there's no one living here. They definitely could do a little bit of maintenance, but I just love how you've got the mosaic tiles. It's just a really fun footprint. And you can see from here, this is your view. Definitely if you were to cut back these palms, it would make a big deal, but you can see you do have ocean, city, and mountain views. At night, this place just twinkles. So now that you have had a chance to see the entire exterior, let's pop inside. So this is the main entrance of the house, and one thing that I want to notice, or that I wanted to mention, is that you can see here you have all the wooden doors, and then you've even got like the tiles with the wooden beams as you walk in. I love how they've got the saltillo tile floors, and it's just very Mexican style, which is what I love. You guys know these are like my favorite things to feature. So you've got, when you walk in, you have the tall pitched roof with the wooden beams and the tile roof. Almost everything that you see is staying. So you walk in, you've got a really big open floor plan, living room, kitchen, dining room, and some of this stuff has been updated. You're gonna see when we get into the bathroom or into the kitchen that it is updated. A great size for the living room here. And then you've got a separation of the bedrooms. So on one side of the house, you have bedroom number 1. On the second side of the house, you have bedroom number 2. And we're gonna get into the dining room right now. Off of the dining room, there is a half bath here. I love how they have the hand-painted Talavera tiles with the traditional Mexican style sink. And look at the ceiling in here. This is why I love the older charm Mexican properties. They just have so much character. And these are just details that you don't see in today's build. Okay. I love these arched roofs with the metal or with the wooden beams. Show you the kitchen next. As you can see, you have a nice granite countertop here. They have Viking appliances, which is always a nice plus, with the nice Viking range as well. This is a top-notch kitchen. I am in love with all of the details here. It's a little bit dark, I would say that as well. Like, I think definitely coming in, I would add some lighting because it is a little bit on the darker side here. We've got all the lights on, but still. Okay, so you've seen the kitchen, living room, dining room. Let's get into the guest suite here, and then we'll pop into the primary. All of the bathrooms, all the bedrooms here have ensuite baths. So this would make just a lovely house for a family. If you're wanting to be in the middle of all of the action, but kind of tucked away, that's what I would say is here. The bedrooms are a really good size. I like how this bedroom, you can pop out to the pool. And again, here's the ensuite bath. Just very Mexican style. Again, the hand-painted Talavera tiles. Really tall roofs in here. That's your air conditioner for the entire unit. They have the hand-painted tiles again here in the shower. I would do an upgraded shower door. Maybe just do like one big piece of glass there. All right, so now that we have seen the guest suite, let's pop into the primary. And this primary has a lot of space. I just love all of the charm here. It's wonderful. So you have actually like a whole separate living area. You could put even in here like a whole extra seating area. You can see they have it set up as the office here. This room also has access to the backyard and lots of little kitties. We just fed them. So you'll see here just another view of the primary suite. Through the primary suite, you can go onto the ensuite bath. You've got a double closet here. Nice big space. And on the other side of the double sink vanity, you have a shower with the glass. Okay. Walk back through the house here and let's go check out the other casita. As you're walking from the main entrance of the house, you do have a little covered area here for the barbecue, and you can see there's laundry. There is a locked storage bodega here. And then you'll take this path to go to the casita. If you go down below, that's just another storage bodega, just like a big storage room. And then you have this whole entire space for the casita. So as you pop into the casita, let me show you. This is a perfect little space for an in-law suite. You could put a little kitchenette in here. Right now, it's just kind of like an extra bedroom with an ensuite bath. I'll show you here. And then you have the hand-painted tiles in the bathroom, in the shower. Again, I love how they did all of just the detail here with the flooring. You've got the artisan stone, the orange saltillo tiles here, and a great space for a bedroom. And you even have looking out. I would cut these trees. When I show you, you'll be able to see that they could also have an ocean view. And with the size of this lot is almost 13,000 square feet. You have enough room if you wanted to put a whole separate, a whole nother casita here. So I'll just give you the view looking out. So if you were to trim all of this, guys, you can see ocean, which this is all on your property line. Your property line goes here, back, and all the way down. So this is a really great size property. So now that you've seen inside of the guest casita, I'm going to take you up. They also just put on a new roof here, and they put the some new flooring. So if you just pop up the stairs, this is the flooring for the terrace on top. This is a Tanaka for your shower and your water supply. A little wet bar here with a working sink. Just give you more views of everything here, the whole property. And this is your view of Vallarta. You're looking all over the Cinco de Diciembre. You can see the ocean from here, and it's raining in December, which is really odd. Normally it doesn't rain this time of year, so it's got gray skies today, but typically it's blue and beautiful. Give you a little 360-degree view from what you'll see from up here. Alrighty guys, let's pop into a recap. Alright guys, now that you have had a chance to see this absolutely beautiful property, let's get into a quick recap. And I wanted to mention one thing. I was saying 2,200 square feet. It's 3,200 square feet. So you have a little over 3,200 square feet here. The asking price is $625,000 US dollars. 4 bedrooms here with 4.5 baths, located here in Cinco de Diciembre on a huge lot. You have almost 13,000 square feet on this lot. So you've got a really great size. You've got enough room here if you wanted to put another casita. You have a casita here, you have a main house, a pool. This place is a true gem. If you have a family or you're looking to maybe do like a bed and breakfast, you wanted to do some kind of a rental business, the opportunity is definitely here, and you've got great views from where I'm standing right now. I can see all of the bay for the hotel zone all the way down to Puerto. So you just have a great property here. If you guys want more information, look down below. You'll see more information about this property, how you can get in contact with me. I hope that you guys did click like and subscribe. I shoot about 2 to 3 properties a week that are for sale on the market here in Vallarta. That is my time, guys. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and we'll catch you at the next one. Bye, guys. Peace.